Let me ask you something.
When you want to speak English,
Do you feel nervous?
your heart beats faster,
Your hands feel a little uncomfortable.
and suddenly,
You don't want to speak anymore, even if you know the words.
you stay silent.
That's not your English problem.
That's a confidence problem.
In this video, we will show you why you feel shy, what's happening inside your mind, and how to speak with confidence step by step.
You don't need perfect English.
You need the courage to start.
Let's begin.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
Welcome back. Today's topic is very personal.
Yes, because confidence is not just about language.
It's about how you feel inside.
I remember when I first tried to speak English.
Were you confident?
Not at all.
Same here.
I knew words. I understood sentences.
But when it was time to speak,
I felt blocked.
blocked means you cannot express yourself.
And I thought, maybe I'm not good at English.
But the truth was different.
The problem was not English.
It was fear.
If you enjoy these real conversations, support us. Like, share, subscribe. Now let's go deeper.
Why do we feel shy when speaking English?
So let's talk about the real reason.
Yes, not the surface answer.
But what's really happening inside you?
Why do you feel shy when speaking English?
Why does your voice change?
Why does your confidence disappear?
Even when you understand everything. Reason 1. Fear of judgment.
Let's start with the biggest one, fear of being judged.
This is very powerful.
You want to speak.
But in your mind, you hear,
What if I say it wrong?
what if they laugh?
What if I sound stupid?
And because of that,
You choose silence.
judge means people form opinions about you.
But here's something important.
Most people are not judging you.
They are thinking about themselves.
The fear feels real.
But the danger is not real.
Reason 2. Perfection pressure.
Now let's go deeper.
Perfection.
Many learners think,
I must speak correctly.
my grammar must be perfect.
So, before speaking,
You check everything in your mind.
and that pressure,
Blocks your natural voice.
fluent speakers are not perfect.
They are comfortable with mistakes.
Perfection creates pressure.
Pressure kills confidence.
Reason 3. Past experiences.
This one is very deep.
Yes, and many people don't realize it.
Maybe one time you tried to speak English
And someone laughed.
or corrected you in a harsh way,
Or you felt embarrassed in class.
and that moment stayed in your mind.
Now, every time you speak,
That feeling comes back.
your brain is trying to protect you.
But it's protecting you from something that is already over.
Your past is not your present, but your mind treats it like it is. Reason 4. Comparing yourself.
Let's talk about something very common.
Comparison.
You see someone speaking English fluently,
Confident, fast, natural.
and then you think,
I'm not like that.
you feel small.
You feel behind.
But you don't see their beginning.
You only see their result
You are comparing your start.
to someone else's finish. Reason 5. No safe practice space.
This one is very important.
Yes, environment matters.
Many people don't have a safe place to practice,
They only try to speak in high-pressure situations
like in front of others
or with strangers.
or in important moments.
That increases fear.
Safe spaces first build confidence.
Then it expands outside. So when you say, I'm shy to speak English,
It's not just shyness,
it's fear,
pressure,
past experiences.
and lack of practice.
So let's summarize.
So, fear of judgment, perfection pressure, past negative experiences, comparison, no safe practice space.
Now here's the good news.
All of this,
Can change.
Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build.
In the next part, we will show you how to build that confidence
Step by step.
with real examples.
And simple exercises.
And if you're still watching, you're already stronger than you think.
All right, now we know the problem.
Yes, and now it's time to change it.
Not tomorrow,
Not when you feel ready.
starting now. Step 1. Speak in low-pressure moments.
Let's start with something simple.
Confidence doesn't start in big situations.
It starts in small, safe moments.
Talk to yourself. Yes, alone.
Choose, I am sitting here. I feel a bit nervous. I'm watching this video.
No pressure.
No judgment.
Confidence grows in private before it shows in public. Step 2. Use the small sentence rule.
Now let's remove pressure.
You don't need long sentences. Speak in short, simple sentences.
Instead of saying, yesterday I had a very busy and stressful day at work.
Say, yesterday was busy. I had a lot of work.
Simple sentences equal less fear.
Short sentences build confidence faster. Step 3. Use filler phrases.
This one is powerful.
Very powerful. Phrases that give you time to think. Let me think. That's a good question.
Even fluent speakers use them.
All the time. Confidence is not speaking fast. It's staying calm while speaking. Step 4. Practice imperfect speaking.
Now we face the fear directly.
Mistakes.
Say something, even if it's wrong.
Example. Yesterday, I go to market.
Is it perfect?
No,
But you spoke.
that's progress.
Speaking imperfectly is better than staying silent perfectly.
Step 5. The 10-second courage rule.
This one can change everything.
When you want to speak,
Don't wait.
speak within 10 seconds. You have an idea.
Don't think too much.
Just say it.
Because overthinking starts after a few seconds.
Fast action kills fear.
Now let's solve the environment problem.
You need a safe space.
Speak alone, practice with a friend, record yourself, join online speaking groups.
Confidence grows step by step.
First safe, then public.
I think many people are waiting to feel confident.
Yes, but that's the mistake.
You don't wait for confidence. You build it by speaking.
Let's do something right now.
Yes, with you watching. Say this out loud. I feel nervous, but I am speaking.
Again, I am learning and I am improving.
You see? You are already speaking. So today we learned
Start in low-pressure situations. Use short sentences. Use filler phrases. Accept mistakes. Speak within 10 seconds. Build a safe practice system.
now we go deeper.
Because confidence is not only practice.
It's identity.
In the next part,
We will change how you see yourself.
and that will change how you speak forever.
If you're still here.
You're already becoming stronger.
All right, this is the final part.
Yes, and this is where everything connects.
Because now it's not just about speaking English.
It's about who you believe you are.
Let's be honest.
Many people say, I am shy.
But that's not the full truth. You are not shy. You are just not used to speaking yet.
When you repeat, I am shy, I am shy, I am shy,
Your brain starts to believe it.
and then
You act like it.
identity means how you see yourself.
Let's change something simple. Instead of saying, I am shy to speak English, say, I am learning to speak with confidence.
Feel the difference.
One limits you.
The other opens the door.
There is another version of you.
A stronger version.
A version that speaks.
even if the voice shakes.
Confidence is not no fear, it's speaking with fear.
Let's talk to you directly.
Yes, you watching this right now.
If you feel nervous when speaking English,
If your heart beats fast,
if your voice feels weak,
that doesn't mean you are weak.
it means you are trying,
Every confident speaker you see today
was once afraid,
was once silent.
was once unsure.
The difference is they didn't stop.
Confidence is not one big moment.
It's a daily decision. Every day you choose, stay silent or try again. Let's make it simple.
Speak a little every day.
Accept nervousness.
Don't wait for perfect.
Take small risks.
Keep going.
Do it scared.
One day, you will speak English with confidence,
One day you will express yourself freely.
without fear.
And when that day comes, you will remember this version of yourself.
The one who didn't give up.
If this video helped you, share it with someone who feels shy.
Like, subscribe, keep practicing.
We are growing together.
And this is just the beginning.
Keep speaking.
Keep believing.
See you in the next video.